I'm Aiden from Top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Let's talk about eHarmony. Looking for dates at the local bar is so 2000, but online dating can be tricky if you don't play it right. eHarmony is a dating app for singles looking for a serious relationship. The site uses a smart compatibility-based matchmaking system, has an encouraging success rate, and has climbed to the top of the charts for singles all over the world. eHarmony has a massive user base, numbering roughly 37 million users across 200 countries. The pool is evenly split amongst men and women, 25 plus, and most users are looking for a serious relationship. Settle down with a good drink because the site's sign-up process is a long one. With more than 400 questions to answer, the dating profile is lengthy to say the least, but with fun questions and an easy-to-use question format, somehow it doesn't feel nearly as tiresome as other long-winded dating questionnaires. While the site is not cheap, it's very much a question of getting what you pay for. This is one of the top dating sites for a reason, and the prices also keep the user base limited to singles who are genuine in their intentions. You'll pay in the neighborhood of $30 to $60 a month, depending on the length of your plan. With a free plan, you can send smiles, icebreakers, and other greetings, view member profiles, and enjoy limited messaging capabilities. A premium account opens up access to features like video dating, unlimited messaging, and more detailed searches and results. eHarmony has an incredibly detailed personality quiz that grades you based on 29 different aspects of your personality. The algorithm then pairs you up with other members who are most compatible with you. And with all that information, you can be sure that they deliver wildly accurate matches, as they have success rates to prove it. They offer fun and witty icebreakers to get the conversation started. It's nice that even free account members can use this feature. The site has a great variety of communication methods, including smiles, icebreakers, and chatting. Plus, eHarmony has an awesome video chat feature that allows you to date via video for a safer, more comfortable dating process. eHarmony has a real ID verification process to sniff out the scammers and phonies. Plus, the secure call video chat keeps things anonymously safe. Besides, it's probably a pretty safe bet to assume that anyone sitting through a 400-question personality profile is not a bot. The site has excellent profiles that give you tons of information about each user. There are other great features, including a guided conversation to help you navigate those sticky early-on relationships, a what-if feature, and even an advice forum for some useful tips on dating in general. Should you need it, you can check out the detailed FAQ section on the website or dial up a customer support rep in addition to the 24/7 email support, a major improvement from other dating sites. eHarmony has some impressive numbers. The successful dating site makes more than 15 million matches a day. Roughly 70% of members who found love did so within a year of signing up. What's more, 542 people get married every day thanks to eHarmony, making up to 4% of overall marriages in the US today. Online dating can be a chore for many singles, but eHarmony is definitely making it a lot easier for most of us. The detailed profile ensures more accurate results, so nobody is wasting their time. The site has great video chat along with other useful features. I hope this video helped you decide whether eHarmony.com is the right dating site for your needs. For more reviews, check out Top10.com.